Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today on the way to work, I saw this beautiful sight. It reminded me of an important lesson and principle of healthy living. I decided to share this information with you. We often tend to navigate between the past and the future without really enjoying the present moment. Living in the present moment would guarantee a satisfying life, as opposed to living in the past, usually a sad past, or worrying about the future, about things that might not even happen. The idea is not forget the past or the future. The idea is, too much of something is never good. Learn from the past, prepare for the future, live in the present. As with all things in the world, balance is the key to a healthy life. So try progressively to learn how to focus on the present. By knowing about mind strategies for avoiding the now, you can learn how to focus on the present. Use the atomic habits strategy. Start small to make your habit easy. Make it attractive. There are many books about the power of now you can learn, but in my opinion you should find your own way. So focus on the now, enjoying what's happening now and living for today. So focus on the now, enjoying what's happening now and living for today. Note the small pleasures of your daily activities. Change your bad habits. Smile more often. Say thanks more often. Close your eyes and imagine good things. Imagine that you are traveling to a foreign country. Imagine all what make you happy.